Cheese! Welcome back to Adventures with Rosie, and welcome to part 2 of our beach hop adventure here in Whangamata. If you missed part 1, I'll link it up here somewhere, but basically we've been here since Wednesday. It's Saturday now. So yeah, part 1 sort of covers what we've been up to so far in Whangamata. We hit the beach, a few events around the cars and that sort of thing, and today is the main parade. It's Saturday, so all the cars are going to go through town and park up. We're going to check those out. We've also a vintage caravan show, which I'm pretty excited to check out, so we're going to look at that. We'll go to the market as well, and prize giving. They got some really cool prizes, which we'll talk about later, but they basically, by buying a program, you go on the draw to win one of 3 prizes they have. They have like a 1969 Ford Mustang you can win, a T-Bucket hot rod, and a brand new Harley Davidson. And I think they give away $10,000 cash as well. So we'll go check out the prize giving later on. We're going to get down there early and find some shade because it's pretty hot today, and we got a bit too much sun yesterday. So yeah, part 1 up here or down in the description below. Check that out first because it'll kind of fill you in on what's been happening so far. And yeah, we'll go to town and check out the cars. Should we go? Yeah. Alright, stop number 2 for the day. Where are we?
At the vintage caravan display.
Yeah, they've got a they have like a prize. You can go around the caravans and vote for your favourite one. A whole bunch of old school caravans here, so we're going to wander around and check them out.
Really makes me want to get one.
It would be cool. Would you guys like to see a video of maybe like the 5 of us in a tiny little caravan? It'd be quite cool.
Maybe once the kids have moved out.
Be an interesting video. Alright, so we've just come down to the prize giving, and there's like live entertainment and stuff down here in the reserve. There are 3 prizes they give away. One is a 1965 Mustang, also a T-Bucket hot rod, and they give away a brand new Harley Davidson. So if you bought a program over the week, which was like the fundraiser, $5 program, you would go in the draw. So fingers crossed let's win that Mustang. Oh, and they also give away $10,000 cash as well, so well worth sticking around here for an hour to see if you've won. Well, that was a rather enjoyable day. Pretty long the way.
Yeah, it's very long.
Chelsea's knackered. It's about 7 o'clock now in the evening, and we left this morning at 9. So long day out in the sun. That prize giving to stay around and see if you won a car or not. We were there for a couple of hours, probably 3 hours.
Not coming home with a Mustang, unfortunately.
Chelsea didn't win her Mustang. But yeah, it was quite a cool atmosphere down there. Just the kids are getting a little bit twitchy towards the end, but stunning weather here. We really lucked out with the weather, because a week before we came it said it was supposed to be raining all week, and then we arrive and now I'm sunburned. So yeah, pretty good weekend all in all. We're going to get the kids fed now. They're all knackered, so get them into bed pretty quick, I think. I'm contemplating whether or not to go back down tonight and have a little look when it gets dark. I'm wondering if it kind of everything stays civilized, or if people get a bit kind of wild
get rowdy.
on a Saturday night. I haven't seen a burnout. I've only seen one person being pulled over by a cop. And I guess there's a lot of classic cars and stuff here, not a lot of cars people would beat on and do skids and things, but
Oh, there's a fair few.
yeah, there's a few neck tats. No offense to our audience out there with neck tats. So yeah, I might sneak out later on when the kids are asleep and just go and see what it's like. This location we're staying in is
with a torch.
with you.
Yeah,
He'll be in bed, mate. And a torch. Yeah, I'll take a torch. This location's only like maybe 1 kilometre to town, to the main strip, so pretty convenient. We've done that trip so many times in the last week though, but yeah, pretty awesome location really. Couldn't be any more sort of central for the club down there and then town up that way, so yeah, really good. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys later on. Alright, well I've decided to go into town, have a little look. I'm pretty sore from all that walking today, and really sunburned actually, but yeah, I figure I might as well go and check out what's going on. I don't want to miss anything. Also this cool night, really nice in the old sunburn. I don't know if much is gonna go on tonight, if much is happening, or if it's worth filming anything, but we'll see. Go for a wander around, see what we can find. thanks for watching.
Say what?
Did you have fun at Beach Hop?
Yep.
What was your favourite part?
I've gone to the flying fox in the playground. And the beach.
The flying fox in the playground.
And the beach.
And the beach. Not all those cars we see. You didn't like the cars?
No. I didn't. I liked the not noisy ones. I didn't like the noisy ones.
Oh yeah, some of the cars are a bit noisy. Well, thank you as always for watching. I know the last couple of episodes been a lot of cars, so for those of you that aren't into cars, sorry. It's kind of what we do though, I guess, right? We travel around and show you where we go. And Beach Hop is one of those places. Been on the list for a while now, and so really nice to tick it off. I'm sure we'll go back. Beach Hop typically is in March, so there is actually Beach Hop 2021 is in March this year. But we'll be down south, so we won't go to Beach Hop, maybe next year. Yeah. The NZMTG, the place we stayed, the New Zealand Motor Travel Group, really awesome bunch of people there. Mark and his wife Melanie, who run the NZMTG, they're just great people, and they put a really nice event on. Where we were staying is like a, I think it's something to do with the horse club there, but there's like a pony club. But there's also community gardens there, and so you pay to stay each night there, and a bunch of the money that gets paid over the weekend, Mark actually donates back to the guys that run the community garden in Whakatane, which is Whangamata, sorry, which is really nice. So they got a heap of cool events, and it's a bit of a shame that we're heading down south, and we're going to miss a bunch of events that they're running next year. It'd be cool to go to some of them, so I'm sure we will in the future when we're back up in the North Island. Hang out with those guys some more. They're a really cool group of people, really friendly as well. We'd not met any of them before, but they're really nice and friendly, and quite welcoming to the group. So yeah, awesome group to be a part of. So oh jeepers. Sorry. So I will see you guys in the next video. We have another trip planned before Christmas. We're just about to go away. You're okay. Oh, we are just about to go away to Hastings. We're going to spend some time with Chelsea's parents in the sunny Hastings before we go down south, and we don't see our family for a while. So yeah, we're going to go away there. There's a sort of few things planned there. We're just going to chill out for the weekend, hopefully do some swimming, that sort of thing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Sorry about the lights. This cheeky one here loves the light switch, don't you, Miss Piper? So yeah, stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. You monkeys. Huh? You monkeys.